How's it going, everyone? Michael here with 15 cent pressure washing. We're out at a customer's house and we're going to provide this customer with our roof washing service, Columbia, Tennessee. Now this roof has accumulated quite a bit of black streaks, and for those of you that don't know, the black streaks you see all over Tennessee roofs is called Gliocapsa magma. It is a type of mold. It's airborne, so it travels through the air. It's unhealthy to breathe in, and it is also unhealthy for your roof. Now, Gliocapsa magma, it lives off of the limestone that is in shingles. So it eats the limestone that's in shingles. It causes your shingles to become brittle, dried out, and tons of asphalt will start releasing, and it really just deducts the lifespan of your roof dramatically. Now, whenever you do have a brand new roof installed and they tell you, hey, this roof's going to last about 30 years. Well, if you look into the roof's warranty, that's with specialized roof cleaning. Without roof cleaning, all the policies are different within a certain time frame. If you don't have your roof cleaned, you could possibly void your roof's warranty. So roof cleaning is very important for the longevity of a roof. Black streaks they're absolutely ugly. Nobody likes looking at them. It really just destroys the curb value and overall appearance of a home. So I'm going to show y'all how we clean these roofs. Now, we do clean the roofs at low pressure. A roof should never ever be pressure washed. If somebody tells you that they can pressure wash your shingled roof, tell them to go on and get out of here, because they will literally destroy your roof and take 100% life out of it, or at least 50% life out of the roof. Now with our soft washing method, I am first going to apply a neutralizer to all the plants and the windows. Once I apply a neutralizer to all the vegetation in the windows, I'm going to apply our roof cleaning solution, our moldicide, to the roof, and you'll see that this roof will clean up right before your eyes. Now, this chemical can damage vegetation. That's why it is very, very important to take the proper procedures to keep vegetation protected and to keep windows from having hard spots on them. This is another reason why it is very important to hire a professional to have your roof cleaned. Let's get to it. Alright, I do apologize about the background noise. The pressure washer can get very loud, and that's what we use to apply our neutralizer. Let's go ahead and apply our neutralizer to all the plants and the windows. Now that we have applied our neutralizer, let's go ahead and treat the roof. let that dwell for a little bit, let it dry up just to see if we see any more black spots. Now, once the gliocapsomagma dies, it's gonna either disappear to our eye or it's gonna turn brown. Now, once it's brown, it means that it's dead and it's coming down. Now, with the brown spots, we do not release them on site. We do not want to rinse the roof off. You know, we want to keep away from releasing any of the asphalt that is on the roof. So we do no rinsing. If there's moss on your roof, if it's bad, you know, we'll blow the roof off, and whatever comes off with blowing the roof off, that's what comes off. And then we'll apply the treatment to the roof. You'll see all that moss turn white. Once that moss is white, it means that it's dead. So the dead gliocapsomagma, brown spots. The dead moss and lichen, white. This stuff will wash away with rain, and how many rains it takes to wash this stuff away, it really just depends on how bad the roof is. So we're gonna give this some dwell time. I'm gonna put this in time lapse just to try to speed things along a little bit and see what we got. Alright y'all, there it is. We are done soft washing this roof. We have applied our treatment to it. All the gliocapsomagma is dead. You can see that this roof looks as good as new. It's not going to take a rain to wash away any brown spots or anything. Everything came out pretty good. Now once it does rain, it's going to wash that solution away, and it's going to even give it a deeper clean. You know, there's dirt and stuff that's there that we can't see to our eye. That's going to clean up once that rainfall comes. I hope this video has helped y'all understand more about how we wash roofs, you know, our roof washing service. And if you're interested in a free estimate for roof washing Columbia, Tennessee or surrounding areas, we service Spring Hill, Franklin, Brentwood, Thompson Station, Lewisburg, College Grove, a lot of areas that we service. You go to our website, 15centpressurewashing.com. You can fill out one of our request forms. It's an estimate request form. We get back to people fairly quickly. We also have service pages on there that shows you the locations that we serve if you're wondering, you know, what areas we serve. And if y'all have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please leave the questions and comments down below. I really do appreciate you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Like this video. Big shout out to all of our subscribers. We really do appreciate you for subscribing to our channel, and I hope y'all enjoy the content that we've been providing y'all. This 15 cent pressure washing here, you guys. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day.